Opportunity card of Germany. This is the topic of today. In this video, I am sharing a recent success story of opportunity card, and I am going to share all the details about the profile of this candidate and the timelines as well. I am also going to give you details about the opportunity card as well, so that you can also prepare your mind to apply for opportunity card of Germany. It is kind of a job seeker visa of Germany which anyone can apply if your bachelor's degree clears the eligibility for this particular visa. Also, many people have doubts related to the job profile to apply for this particular visa. Many people think that if they are working in IT or automobile, then only they can apply for Germany opportunity card, otherwise they are not going to get visa. This is also a myth. With the experience details of this success story, I am going to break this myth as well. So to know all the details about this particular success story of Germany opportunity card, watch this video till then. Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel Globexa Immigration. This is Jitendra Grover. In this video, we are discussing about the success story of Germany opportunity card. We received it just 2 days back, and today I am making this video to give you all the details. I am also going to share the details about Germany opportunity card as well, so that you can also make up your mind. So basically, if you want to go to a developed country but you don't want to go on study visa and you want to give it a shot on work permit, in that case, this is the best visa available. This is a job seeker visa. Whenever you are going to land in Germany on this particular visa, after that you can search for the job in Germany, and then you can convert your Germany opportunity card into a work permit, full work permit, and then you can keep working with the company. So this is one of the best options for you, and quite cheaper option as well. You don't require to spend 10-20 lakh rupees on your study, so that is not required. Quite easily you can get it if you are eligible. If your bachelor degree is eligible, in that case you are going to get it. It's not a problem. In most cases, people have their degree eligibility. It's not a problem. Percentage is also not a criteria in your degree. Even if you have less percentage, it is not a problem. If you are having your degree cleared and if it is eligible, we are going to check it on NABIN website of Germany. If it is cleared, good to go. After that, if you have experience, in that case, there is high probability that you are going to get your Germany opportunity card approval. It is not a problem. Even if you are married, you can go with family as well. That option is also available. So you can apply for Germany opportunity card, go to Germany, search for a job and settle there permanently as well. So that option is there. So I am going to share all those details as well, and it is a best option to go for. And I am sharing the detail of this particular profile as well. This candidate asked me not to share his name, so I am taking the name Rohit, which is assumed name. So Rohit is the candidate here. So we applied for him around 3 months back, and we got it approved recently. So the timeline here is, after 3 weeks, I guess he got the interview, and after 1.5 months approximately he got the approval. So entire processing time is 2.5 months, and then we also took 15-20 days in the processing as well. So around 3 months of time is there in India, and within 3 months you can get the approval of Germany opportunity card, and there is no particular timeline to reach Germany. So we can suggest to visa officer that we are looking to move to Germany in December, in January, in February, any time, any date we can give, and after giving some buffer period, visa officer is going to give you visa. So here the visa is granted for 1 year. This opportunity card is granted for 1 year. It can be extended as well later on after reaching Germany, but initially it is granted for 1 year. Age of Rohit is 33 right now. So at age 33, he got his visa. We can apply for it even at higher age as well, but you should have a bachelor's degree, which is eligible. And along with that, you should have some experience as well to justify that how you are going to get a job, why you should get this visa. So justification becomes really good in that case. Even at younger age, we can apply for it. At higher age, we can apply for it. It's not a problem. But in this particular profile, age is 33. Visa it is granted for 1 year, starting from 1st of December till 30th of November next year. So it is granted exactly for 1 year. And this is the visa stamp. After landing in Germany, so Rohit is going to get TRC. So after landing in Germany, he will get the TRC, and he can work part-time on this visa as well unless he gets a full-time job offer contract. Once he gets the contract, then he can convert it into a work permit. So this is the visa stamp. That's how it looks. It is stamped on the passport, and after landing in Germany, he will get his TRC. His profile, so many people think that if we are going to have IT profile, then only we are going to get approval. Otherwise, it's really difficult to work in Germany on high level jobs if we don't know German language. Yes, that is also somewhat true, but even if you don't have IT profile, still you can get visa and you can get jobs as well. I'm going to share those details as well. In terms of his education, he has completed his Bachelor of Computer Applications. So he has done bachelor's degree, which is recognized on NABIN website, we did not require to do JAB. JAB is actually a process to check whether the degree is recognized in Germany or not. If it is directly recognized, in that case, good, done and dusted. We don't require to apply for JAB. In his case, it was directly recognized and we could directly apply for this Germany opportunity card. If it is not recognized, if the university is not recognized or particular program is not recognized, in that case, we have to apply for JAB. That is an additional process. It takes more time to clear everything. But if it is not required, straight away we can apply for this Germany opportunity card. He had also completed his Master of Business Administration. MBA degree is also there, but we usually require a bachelor's degree to apply for Germany opportunity card. So even if you don't have masters, no need to worry about it. In terms of his experience, he did not have IT experience. His entire experience is in operations. So he was operations experience right now, working since 2023. Team manager before that. Before that, he was working as operations specialist, then CXQO associate. So these were his experiences. So he was not working in IT domain. He was working in operations majorly, and he could get his visa as well. So this is also a myth that if you are going to work in IT or automobile where the work can be done in English, then only you are going to get Germany opportunity card. They are going to see if you get some option, some potential to get any kind of job in Germany, we are fine to give you visa. You can go there, search for the job. If you get a job, okay, stay there. If you don't get a job, you can come back to your home country. That's how they think. They are not thinking that if you belong to a particular job profile, then only we are going to get visa. That we need to justify what kind of job we are going to search in Germany and what kind of experience we are having, what kind of eligibility we are having, and how we have the prospects of returning home, that we are going to justify. Visa officer is fine with your job profile. It's not a problem. So even if you belong to operations field, where usually the work, if you are going to Germany, usually the work is going to be in German language, still visa officer is fine with that. If you are going to get job, in that case, yes, visa officer has granted you visa. You can go there, search for a job and start you doing your job as well. What are the benefits of Germany opportunity card? So first is, it is 1 year of opportunity card. I have already shared with you. Can be extended. I have shared with you. You can work for 20 hours per week as part-time job. So until unless you get a really good full-time, full-fledged job for you, where the salary is going to be on higher side, everything is there, the way you want to get the work permit through this Germany opportunity card, until unless you get really great job in Germany, you can do survival jobs for your survival in Germany. So if you are working 20 hours per week, in that case, you can easily earn 1000 euro per month, which are going to be good enough for your survival in Germany. So it is up to you whether you are going to work there or not. It is not forced that you have to do it. Ultimately, you are carrying your blogged account as well. Blogged account is your savings in Germany. You are going to get approximately 1000 euros in your account from that savings. So that is already there with you. If you are not going to work, you can eat up your blogged account. It's not a problem. That is your saving in Germany. And we also made this blogged account. Many people ask me, should we open blogged account? Because it is not mandatory. You ideally should open blogged account for Germany opportunity card if you are applying from India. Do not decrease your visa chances just because you don't want to open a blocked account. Always open a blocked account. We opened it with Fintiba Bank, and you can also open it. And after opening this blocked account, the amount is going to be around 13 lakh rupees. And after opening this blocked account, then only you should apply for your opportunity card. So this blocked account is going to be there with you. You can eat up that money every month, or you can work part-time, and through your earnings as well, you can make your survival. So that is also there. So you are allowed to work 20 hours per week. So that is there. Along with that, you can work for 2 weeks with any employer as a trial period as well. That you can work full time. So this is also eligible. So you can work with any employer on trial basis. Any employer maybe in logistics say that, okay, let me give you a shot. Let me try you out for 2 weeks and work with me for 2 weeks full time. And if I like you, I am going to give you a full-time job contract. Good to go. You can do these type of jobs until unless you get a full-time contract. So just for trial you can do it, but you can do it once with one employer. You can't keep on repeating it, keep on doing it. It is not allowed. So full-time job can be done only for 2 weeks until unless you get a full-time job contract. So till that time, you can give it a trial kind of thing as well with any employer. So you can suggest to the employer, okay, I am ready to work on trial basis as well for 2 weeks. If you like me, give me a full-time contract. So that is also eligible. Convert your opportunity card into a work permit or blue card. So that option is also there. So once you get a full-time job, after that, your opportunity card is going to be converted into a full-time work permit. So how it happens? Process inside Germany. Once you get the full-time job offer, for example, if I am your employer, I am inside Germany, I am going to give you a contract. It can be a 1-year contract, 2-year contract, length can be anything. So usually it is 1 year of contract. So if I am going to give you 1 year of contract, you can take that contract and all other documents. You can visit the local immigration office and you can convert your opportunity card into a full-time work permit. So that can be done. So you can convert it into a work permit, no income threshold. So even if you are earning, like you get a contract of 30,000 euro per year, good to go. You can convert it into a work permit. There is no income threshold in that, but you can convert it into EU blue card as well. That is even better, which helps you in PR as well. So that is even better if you can convert it into EU blue card. But there is a requirement for that. For general occupation, you require your salary for more than 48,000 euros. If that kind of salary is there, if you are getting 50,000 euros, great. In that case, you can get EU blue card directly. That is even more beneficial. It helps in PR as well. I'll make a separate video on this, how EU blue card can help you in getting your PR quickly and what are the other benefits of EU blue card. But to get it, you will require a higher salary. And if you are coming under shortage occupations, in that case, salary requirement is around 44,000 euros. And if you are a recent graduate, less than 3 years since your degree, then again you require 44,000 euros. So most probably you will require 45 to 50,000 euros to get EU blue card. If you are getting a salary less than that, in that case, you will get your work permit. So anyway, if you get a full-time job offer, in that case, you are going to get your work permit. There is no problem in that. Next big question is, what are the top jobs to target in English language? So first is any technical jobs, IT jobs. So always the work of IT is in English language. There is no problem in that. So you can target IT jobs. So anyone who belongs to IT industry, especially from India, you can always apply for this particular visa. And you can get it quite easily as well because it is high on demand. If you are in software engineering, full stack engineer, or data science, business analytics, any of these job roles which belong to IT or semi-IT, in that case, you can go for opportunity card. You can get a job there as well. It is highly in demand and locals don't really go into these domains. They don't really study the way Indians do. So yes, you can fill this demand the way we have done it in USA. Now we can do it in Germany as well. So they are welcoming Indians, especially if you are from IT field. So that is one job. Marketing jobs. So marketing work can also be done, especially digital marketing work can also be done in English. So that is also one more profile to target. Customer support in English. There are many offices of companies which are serving to the clients outside Germany. So there the work can be in English and there also you can be a really good fit. And there are companies who are serving to clients outside and especially clients who are in English speaking countries, clients who are in USA, in UK, in Australia. So there, if the company is like that, then the entire work is going to be in English. In that case, the way Indians do from India, Indians are serving to companies which are in USA, Canada, or UK. Same way, if the companies are there in Germany, you can target these companies and entire work is going to be in English and you can target any job there. Then if you don't get really high level job, mid level, high level job, in that case, you can target skilled blue collar jobs as well. So there can be jobs like welders, CNC machine operators, electricians. So all the jobs which come under trade or manufacturing. So these type of jobs can also be targeted. And here also the job can be done in English. You don't require really high level of German for doing this type of job. Then logistics and warehouse jobs. Again, jobs are not going to be on really high level. Those are going to be on mid level or lower level, but at least you can get a job in these fields. So if you belong to these fields, in that case, you can do your job in English. You can earn well and settle in Germany as well. Next question is, should you apply for the jobs from outside Germany or not? So there is no harm in trying your luck, trying your skills. So yes, you should try for the jobs from outside Germany as well. Even when you are in the process or even before starting the process as well. When you applied for this candidate Rohit, we also applied for the jobs from outside Germany and we attached the proofs as well that we are already applying for the jobs in Germany and we are lined up with some interviews and all. So it makes your story better that you are already in the process of getting a job and you are still applying for it and you can get a job really quickly as well. So you are open. So it makes you a real candidate. So that is one. So yes, you can apply for the jobs even before your application, but you can apply for the jobs after applying for your visa as well, so that you can have a few interviews lined up. But when you have a German mobile number in your CV and German address, it always improves your chances of getting an interview. So this is a real experience candidates have shared with us, that whenever they have a German mobile number, German address, they always get an interview call and they get it really quickly as well. So experience is different when you apply from outside and inside, and it is far better when you are inside Germany. But there is no harm in trying your luck, trying your skills from outside Germany as well. Yes, you can give it a shot. There is no problem in that. That's it for this particular video. If you also want to apply for your Germany opportunity card, in that case, we can also apply for you. And we have already got a lot of success in this particular visa. In India, rarely any consultant apply for Germany opportunity card, and we are here to apply for it. And the cost of application is also not really high. Within 1 lakh rupees approximately for India, you can complete the entire process and you can get your Germany opportunity card as well. And even if you are married and if you have kids, you can apply for the family as well. It is also possible. Although I have shared a few details about Germany opportunity card in this particular video, and if you want to know all the details, everything in detail about Germany opportunity card, then you must watch this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video.